Hello everyone, this is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. Are you looking for a cute, easy embellishment for your journal? Do I have just the thing for you? There are these adorable hidden note journaling cards. I saw these a while ago on Pinterest and wanted to share them with you. They're just so fun and easy to make. And here's what they look like on the inside. You just pull that out and then you've got a note card in there. And then this one looks the same on the inside. And then you slide it back in like that. And they're super cute. You can embellish them however you want and then put them in a pocket or clip them onto a page or whatever you'd like to do with them. So let's get started. All right, the first thing that you need, and I'm going to do them in colorful paper because I'm working on a colorful journal now, is the 2 pieces of paper to make the tag itself. And I just used coordinating paper for the front and the back, and you can use whatever you want. And I used 2 pieces about 4 by 6, and it doesn't have to be exactly 4 by 6, but I know you like measurements, so just about 4 by 6 would be good. And then we'll just go ahead and trim this off. Did not cut to the end there for some reason, but that's okay. We'll just fix that. And then I usually use scissors, and this is why. And then I'm going to trim up the bottom piece to be the same size as the top. All right, perfect. Clean this up. Now we need to take these 2 pieces and we can glue them together. We want one of them showing with the orange and one of them showing with the stripe. And I'm going to take my art glitter glue, and here's the most important part of the project, is that you only glue around the edge. You do not want to close up the inside. We will glue that all the way around the edge so to get this going a little bit. Okay, and then glue these together. Okay, the next thing that we need to to do is let that dry for just a minute. And while we're letting that dry, is get a piece of notebook paper. And if you could get something thicker, that would be best. And I've got this a little bit thicker notebook paper. I'm going to use that. You could also use cardstock or something else and draw lines on it. That would be perfect. And I'm going to, this might seem like a backwards way of doing this, but this is just how I do it. Okay, what I'm doing is tracing the size of what this card is going to be. Now I need to cut it out quite a bit smaller so that it will fit inside of the card before it. So I know that. So I'm going to cut it. And I'll show you what I mean here. It's got to fit down into it. So I already know it's going to be quite a bit smaller than that. I'll give you these measurements once I cut them. Okay, so I've got a little note card to fit inside of it. And what we're going to do is take this and chop corners with the corner chomper around the edges. Hopefully the glue's dried. And I'm going to do a 1/4 inch round. Okay, and then we're going to take the trimmer again. And put this up here. We're going to cut off the top, I don't know, 1.5 inches. And I told you I was going to get you the measurement for this. This one I cut about 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. So that's what that is. And then we're just going to cut this one off. Got that one a little bit high, but that I think will be okay. It just needs to fit into this top part. And it does. Here's what you can do is just to measure that it fits. And that this fits down in. Perfect. Okay. And then you just take a little bit of glue and put it along the top. Put your pin in your phone. Put the little bit of glue across the top of your notebook paper on both sides. And then stick that up in there in the top portion of the tag. Okay, and smooth that out. And then you put that on there. And that's really how simple they are. And now we just need to embellish it. Oh, I see what I did. I totally did what I told you not to do, and I did not put a pineapple on the outside, but that's okay. It still looks cute with the wavy pattern. And you can see this side goes on here because it closes up perfectly, and this side closed up perfectly there. So that's wonderful. And we can decorate it with, what do I have? What do I have to decorate with? I have some things here. I have some stickers. Okay. I don't care for the butterflies with it. I do love these flowers, and these pineapples would be perfect, actually. This one says thank you. I don't know about that. Pink love. What does that even mean? Sweet, sweet, party like a pineapple. I don't know what these mean, but they're cute. I love this one. Let's do that. Let's do a little book page behind it. And the other thing is I like to ink around the edges of these, so we should do that now. Let's do that. Okay. How about this one that says home? Okay. All right, I think that's adorable. We'll go with that. So we've got 3 of these made in no time at all. Got this one that says home. Okay, got that one. Got that one. And they get easier and easier to put the papers in and out of as you work with them. There we go. There's the 3 we made. I hope you have found them as cute as I do. There's that one. The journey is the destination. Come visit me at my Etsy shop, which is linked below, and take care until next time. Bye, everybody.